Oh, hi and hello. I recently noticed that my microphone sounds like shit, and nobody told me. And I was like, well, how am I gonna know? Come on, this one looks better. I'm gonna even take the fan off. So, I'm gonna scorch here. I'm probably gonna scorch here, but it's okay. I was trying to do and find something that would be entitled to the can but I don't know how I was going to oh okay, well, this is fine. I was going to trying to say channel, but yeah. Oh, I'm definitely scorching while the fan isn't on, but I was like not risking this video to sound horrible like the first four I made. So today I'm not really going to talk a lot, which scares me because if it doesn't have a good audio, then what was it all for? So I thought I can do licking lollipops until it disappears. I know it sounds horrible. I know how it sounds, but I thought it rather funny. hmm I'm just gonna lick a Lucas Lollipop and pretend this isn't weird. I'm not trying to do sounds really, but I'm using a really sensitive type of microphone, so I have no idea what is going on. I haven't really changed the setup. Forgive me that I use always the same things. But they're nice, they're nice, they're cool. I think they're really nice. Mm, I think the the taste is rather good. It's really nice. But this is gonna sound so weird. I bet you most of you want to use headphones. I think I should have said this in the beginning, but to be honest, it was gonna pop up into a licking thing. And then say things like, "Oh, you didn't warn us, you know. You knew exactly what you came here for." I'm actually thinking into doing videos with the scripts, you know. I'm trying to write some. What shall you taste here? It has a little bit of. It's not tahine. I know you guys probably know tahine, but this is more called Miguelito, which will kind of it's really difficult how to explain Spanish to people who don't speak Spanish, because you can be called Michael, for example, and we will call you Michaelito. Miguelito. It's kind of like the 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 translation of Michael, and this thing is called Little Miguel, kind of Miguelito, and it's really good. I think it's better than Tajin. Wow, you cannot say that thing lightly, can I? I think um, I think I cannot really say it. It would be unbearable for my people to say that. But yeah, we're proud of both of them. Those are called chilies, but they are sweet ones. Well, you can use them on sweet things and non-sweet things. Uh, Part of me, I kind of take a moment, and you're probably gonna hear a lot of sounds. So if you're hearing this for ASMR things, I would advise you to not to, cause I'm loud as fuck, and I don't know how to. Yeah, I don't know how to do kind of ASMR. I know I'm whispering a little bit. Maybe I'm too much whispering a little bit. I'm hoping I can get heard, listen to. Oh God, I don't know you guys' past and tenses and and inflections and all this stuff. I got tired of that, man. Imagine going through grammar like 2 times. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna continue to lick this thing. I hope YouTube doesn't flag this as being overly sexual, I guess. I think. Pardon me, I'm too loud. Had I not been too loud, you guys would probably click off of this, won't you? Anyway. Oh, I kinda just smashed my window. Okay. My window say bye. Oh man. This thing is not getting over. I was thinking, yeah, I'll probably do a 10-minute video. And then it will be over, you know. I know this thing is massive, you know. I'm putting this massive thing in my mouth. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna probably shut up. Okay, hope that wasn't like weird to you. I know you're not used to this. I kinda am, honestly. But don't ask what or why. I'm trying not to really do role plays here. So work with me a little bit, don't you? Won't you? It's really fun to have English as a second language. I think it's rather nice. I really love it. I think it's quite a nice language, you know. I don't know why I'm talking about this. I kind of like giving this popsicle a nice little treatment. It's really tasty. I'm gonna put it more Miguelito. Hope you can hear the sound. I think you can hear it. Have a little thingy that tells me what kind of sound I'm making. I really hope you can guys hear this. I'm so tired of me talking and it's horrible and guys can hear me and understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do the subtitles over. It's probably gonna take me a lot, so I'm trying to keep this 50 minutes. I'm probably gonna be here up to 50 minutes. Oh, excuse me. I kinda just burped. Oh, I truly hope none of it hurt because I'm not really editing this shit. mm, mm. Mm. I kinda just gulped a little bit of the powder. I'm okay. I'm okay. This is very tasty. I don't know why I thought this would be a good video. mm. 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 Very nice. Oh man, I think my computer is dying. Oh no. Oh, we're back. I thought the computer was dying. And I was like, oh no. Poor little thing. Just couldn't keep up. It really is nice to know that well, I don't know. And I'm kinda just saying things to say. Probably just should suck. That's it. This video is getting flagged. I think YouTube is not gonna like it. I don't think Protac will kind of do this. Maybe for money. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't probably? Okay, we're getting to the 15-minute mark. I'll be back probably in another video. Probably yes. I don't know. Another. Okay, and I fucked up my window again. Oh god. Gonna do a little bit of okay. I'm so glad I don't use my face in these things. It's nice, actually. Not that salty. Have you guys tried chamoy? It's exactly this. It's kind of like chamoy with Miguelito. I really love Miguelito. If you guys have the opportunity to invest into how is it called? Oh yeah, Miguelito instead of tahin, give it a try. It's sweeter and it's not that spicy. I don't think tahin is spicy, but you guys actually, well, you haven't been eating chili as I have. You know, you guys kind of eat chili and stuff like that after a couple of years. We Mexicans actually, like, since we are like what, 6, 7 at much. Yeah, one of the ways to make you a tough kid is if you eat a lot of chili, which is very common between the kids. You know, they will be like, oh yeah, I can eat more chili than you. And we will stack up the whole things. Sometimes that would signify a lot of losses for the shopping thingy. So they charge you, and you can ask for 1 peso, 2 pesos of chili. If you ask for 5, that is like giving you the whole bottle. We usually don't pay more than 3 pesos, which is so little in comparison to $1. I don't think it's even half $1. No, it's like a third of $1, a fourth maybe. I don't know. Now, yeah, a fourth would be a 25 cent, would be, and a 25 cents is, I mean, half $1 is 10. Okay, 50, less than $25. Oh god, cents. So it's kind of cheap. But the thing is that you can kind of, as the lady, well, it's usually ladies the ones that have dulcerias and sell Doritos, and they usually don't charge you if you are super nice with them. So I would always play the nice, smiley kid. I will always go there and, you know, spend a lot of money, and they would actually not charge you if you ask for extra salsa, which is very rare these days. So anyways, we're almost getting back to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it's, yeah, because I don't want to be spending 50 minutes trying to put all the subtitles. I don't know how it's gonna look. So I'm just gonna like hope for the best. I'm gonna do the final minute, just so beware. That was too much powder. Well, I'm kind of dying here. Mm, 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 mm. I think that was too loud. Was it too loud? Well, I don't care. I should do elevator hitch role play. Maybe. But it's gonna be tiresome to be both guys. You know. Well, voicing the two guys. Okay, we're officially on 15 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to the video. I hope you liked it. If you didn't, well, I tried. Goodbye and see you later.